ജപനിലം.
Hi children, today we are going to learn 5th class 3rd lesson, the world of the numbers. Numbers. What are the uses of the numbers? See, to count anything we will use numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that we will count, no? Now, you have to find out how many things are there to count or to add, to subtract. We need numbers. In this fifth class 2nd lesson, we are going to learn large numbers. See here, for example, what is the one digit biggest number? If you take 1 to 9, what is the biggest number? 1 to 10. What is the single digit biggest number? Is 1. If you add for that number, we will get 2 digit number 10. What is the largest single digit number? 9. If you add 1 for that number, we will get 10. That is the 2 digit number. Okay, largest 2 digit number is 99. If you add for that number, we will get 100. 99 plus 1, 100 only, no? We will get 100. Here we will get the 3 digit number. If you add 1 for largest 2 digit number, we will get 3 digit number. Next, 3 digit greatest number is 999. If we add 1 for that number, we will get a 4 digit number. If you add 4 digit greatest number 1, we will get 5 digit number. If you add 1 for greatest 4 digit number, we will get a 5 digit number. Greatest 5 digit number 99,991. If we add 1 for that number, we will get a 6 digit number. See, that is called 1 lakh. Okay. If you add greatest 6 digit number 1, if you add 1 for greatest 6 digit number, we will get 7 digit number. Can you say where number will end? Anybody will you say where the numbers will? What is the last number? Okay, numbers will start from 1. Can you say anybody where it will stop? What is the last number? No, we can't say. Numbers are infinity. Okay, in this lesson, we are going to learn about our Indian number system and international number system. Indian number system. In our Indian number system, place values will be like this. First, ones place, tens, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs. See here, if you take any number, here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 is 8 and 10 lakhs, 7 is 8 lakhs, 10,000 place 6, thousands place is 5, hundreds place is 4, tens place is 3, ones place is 2. Now, they divide these place values into periods. 1, tens, hundreds. This is called ones period. Ones period. Next, 1000 and 10,000. These are thousands period. Next, lakh and 10 lakh. Now, we have to call lakhs period. Now, how to read this number? 8 lakhs. In lakhs period, what numbers are there? 8, 7. That's why 87 lakhs. Now, thousands period, 6 and 5. That's why 65,432. How to read this number? In lakhs period, 8 and 7 is there. That's why you have to say 87 lakhs. Thousands period, 65,432. Now, we have to divide the number depending on their periods. See, Ones period before we have to keep comma, after thousands place before, after lakhs place. Now how to read this number? 87 lakhs 65,432. How to read the number? 87 lakhs 65,432. If you want, you can write the place values up. Then you can read easily. See here. Lakhs period 87. That's why 87 lakhs. Thousands period 65. That's why 65,432. Here in this lesson, he is asking for this number name also. See here, in 10 lakhs, how many digits are there? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 lakhs number is a 7-digit number. 1 lakh number is a 6-digit number. Now, how to write the number name for the given number? How we are reading like that only, no? Yes, 87 lakhs. Spelling 87 lakhs. 87 lakhs. 65,000. 432. 432. 32. How we are reading the number? Like that only, as it is, we have to write the number name. 87 lakhs 65,432. Like this, we have to write the number name. Now I am going to write the expanded form for the given same number. Expanded form. How to write the expanded form? Already we learned. For tens we have only 1 0. For hundreds we have 2 zeros. For 1000 we have 3 zeros. For 10,000 we have 4 zeros. 1 lakh has 5 zeros. In 1 lakh how many zeros will be? 5. 10 lakhs means how many zeros will be? 6. You have to keep this one in your mind. Now we are going to learn expanded form. How to write the expanded form for same number? See, in what is the 10 lakhs place number? 8. We have to write 8. 10 lakh means how many zeros will be? 6. Now 8 after we have to write 6 zeros. Now we have to keep commas. Ones period after, next thousands period after. Now 80 lakhs plus. What is the lakhs place number? 7. We have to write 7. For lakhs, how many zeros will be? 5. We have to write 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now keep commas for according their periods. Hundreds period after, thousands period after. Now what is the number? 7 lakhs plus. Next 10,000 place is 6. For 10,000, how many zeros will be? 4. Write 4 zeros. Now this is the 60,000 plus. Next 5. Thousands place 5. For 1000 how many zeros? 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 5,000 plus 100. For 100 we have 2 zeros. For 10 3 0 1 0. 3 plus 3 0 30 plus 2. Like that we have to write the expanded form. Now how to write the expanded form? For 87 lakhs 65,432. 80 lakhs plus 7 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. Like that we have to write the expanded form. Now we are going to learn the place value, face value and place. Already we learned these in second class onwards we are learning. Now I will repeat again, all of you listen carefully. See here. Now how to read the number? All of you read yourself. How to read the number? If you don't know how to read the number, write the place values. Then you can read easily. See here. Once period after you have to keep comma. Next thousands place after, lakhs place after. Now how to read this number? 24 lakhs 65,647. For this he underlined 5. He round off the 5 and he is asking find this place, face value and place value. Place value. See here. He underlined for 5. Where is the 5? Where the 5 sat? It sat in thousands place. That's why you have to write place is thousands. Face value. Already I teach for you face value. It won't change. What we are seeing there, that only face value. Here we are seeing the number 5. That's why face value also 5. Now place value is, what is the place? 1000. Face value is 5. 10 5s are, 1000 5s are 5000. Okay, like this we have to write. And I will teach one more sum. All of you read this sum yourself. Read the number yourself. See, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. We have to keep comma. Where we should keep comma? Once period after, thousands period after. Now how to read this number? 32 lakhs, 4,000. 10,000's place any number not there, no, that's why you have to read only 4,000. 32 lakhs, 4,317. He circled for 2. What he is asking? Find the place, face value and place value for the given number 2. Where is the 2 place? At lakhs. Now face value is same. We have to write 2. Place value, we have to multiply with place and face value. Place is lakhs. Lakhs means how many zeros it will be? 5. 1 lakh into 2 is equal to 2 lakhs. Like this we have to find the place value and face value. Okay, now we are going to learn which is the big, which is the small, which number is big, which number is small. Means greater than, less than, equal to. Comparing the numbers. See here. Here 3, 4, 5, 3, 7, 2, 4. Now how to read the number? Place values ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Now keep commas. 34 after 53, 724. Now 34 lakhs, 53,724. Here this side he given 7, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 8. Now how to read this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, lakh, thousands. 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, keep commas and read the number now. 74 lakhs, 32,148. 74 lakhs, 32,148. Now we have to compare these numbers. While we are comparing the numbers, always we have to compare the highest place value. Highest place. Here what is the highest place? 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is the highest place. We have to compare those numbers. If you compare those numbers, which is the big number? 7 or 3? 7 is the biggest number. That way 74 lakhs 32,140 is the greatest number. Like that we have to compare the number. While we are comparing the numbers, always we have to take the highest place numbers. Okay, what is, if you learn this, you can complete your 3.3 activity, 3.4 activity and 3.3 activity, and you can complete question time also. Question time, and you can complete practice questions also. Now see here, how to form a 7-digit numbers, 7 greatest and smallest 7-digit number with the single digits. For example, he given 4, 6, 3, 2, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits only, no? Yes, 1. He given like that individual digits. With these digits he is asking, make a 7 digits greatest number and smallest number. Greatest 7-digit number and smallest 7-digit number. greatest 7-digit number and smallest 7-digit number. To form a greatest number, we have to write big number to small. What is the big number here? 9, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. But we should not keep commas. Now what is this number? 98,64,321. Smallest number, we have to write small number to big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now what is the number? 12,34,689. For example, if you get 0, how to form? See here, if you get the 0, how to form a greatest 7-digit number? How to form a smallest 7-digit number? See here. What we learn, to form a greatest 7-digit number, we have to write big number to small number. Big number is 7, next 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here, see here. Okay, now here also, to make a smallest 7-digit number, we have to write small number to big number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Is it right? No, it is wrong. Why? Because if you keep 0 in highest place, 0 means nothing. Here if you keep the 0 in highest place, we should not read that place value, you have to read from next onwards. Now what is the number? It is a 6-digit number only. 1,23,456, 7 only. But he is asking here 7-digit number. For that, how to form a small digit number? We have to leave the 0 and the next smallest number is 1. After we have to keep 0, next we have to write remaining numbers. Remaining small number to big number. Now 10,23,457. Like this, we have to form a greatest 7-digit number and smallest 7-digit number. Now we are going to learn place values. We are going to learn round off. Already we learned the round off in 4th and 4th class, 3rd and 4th. Now see here, 24,15,340. He is asking here round off for nearest lakhs. Round off for nearest lakhs. Nearest lakhs. See here, lakhs period is right place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. Okay, we have to take from lakhs onwards. Now what is the number? 4,15,340. Where it will be? It will be middle of 4 lakhs and 5 lakhs. Now which number we have to take? For that we have to observe the before place number. Before place number is 10,000. In 10,000 1 is there. 1 is less than 5. That's why we have to take the small number. Now we have to write the 10 lakhs place as usual. From lakhs onwards we have to take 4 lakhs. Now what is the nearest lakhs period is 24 lakhs. Okay, like that we have to find out the round off. Okay, if we ask round off for 10 lakhs, see here, for 19 lakhs 24,165. Round off for nearest lakhs. Now write the place values once, tens, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. Now we have to round off for nearest 10 lakhs. Nearest 10 lakhs. Where it will be? 19 lakhs. It will be middle of 10 lakhs and 20 lakhs. 10 lakhs and 20 lakhs. Now which number we have to take? For that we have to observe the lakhs period number. Lakhs period number is 9. 9 is greater than 5. That's why you have to take the big number. Now 19 lakhs 24,165, nearest 10 lakhs is equal to 20 lakhs. Like this, we have to find out the round off. We learn round off for tens, we will round off for hundreds, round off for thousands, round off for 10,000s in 4th class. Now we learn round off for lakhs and round off for 10 lakhs. Okay, by this activity you can complete your studio round off 3.15 activity, you can complete that. Okay, now we learn till now Indian system. Now we are going to learn international system. Now we are going to learn international system. Okay, in international system we have how the periods will be. Now I am going to teach here. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 till here as usual. In Indian system like that only, 10 lakhs after 10,000 after we have lakhs period. But in international system there are 100,000s after millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, after billions. Okay, you can observe the international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 millions and billions. This is the difference between national system and international system. National system is Indian system. Like Indian system only, they divide these into periods. Ones period, 1000, 10,000 and hundreds period. This is called thousand period, thousands period, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. These are called millions period. Like that they divide the Indian international system. While we are writing the number, how to keep the commas for international system. For example, 2, 7, 4, 8, 5, 6, 2. This number is there. How to read the number in the international system? Where we have to keep the commas. See here, I am writing in international system ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions. Now how to read this number? 2,748,562. See how to write the number name in international system. Now I am going to write 2 millions. 2 millions 748 1,000 562. 562. Did you understand how to write the number name in international system? I will repeat again. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions. 2 millions 748 thousands. Why? Because this is the thousands period. Thousands period, what numbers are there? 748. That's why you have to read 748 million thousands 562. Once again I will repeat, 2 millions 748 thousands 562. Like that we have to write the numbers in international system. Once again I will write Indian system and international system. All of you observe Indian system. What are the periods for Indian system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crores. International system. International system. International system. Say the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Next, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. In international system, lakhs place equal to, in international system, hundreds, thousands. Hundred thousands. Did you understand here? In our Indian system, lakhs place is equal to, in international system, that is the lakhs place equal to hundreds, thousand. Okay, did you understand? I hope you all got this. By this video, you can complete your lesson 3. Thank you.